Hello everyone, this is Mr. Cougar, and I am back with another video for all of my 100 plus subscribers. Now, I'm sorry for not uploading for a month. I don't know why, I just haven't been getting any video ideas recently, but here we are. Here's my newest video idea that I have cooked up for you guys, as the internet people say. The people on the internet always say that. Most expensive Roblox items. This isn't really in any order, but I guess it's the general order. So let's see. First off, we have the Ultra Commando. Basically, a billion Robux. Now, the story behind this, it basically just looks like a regular Commando hat in the Commando series, but red and black. Now, the story behind this, first off, who owns it? And that the owner of this hat belongs to UC Unknown, and he is the only person, the one and only person with the Ultra Commando. I think it only had one copy made, and it went to him. Now the story behind it is that I think UC Unknown, he got cancer or something like that, and then Make-A-Wish Foundation pulled up, and he had a wish, and I think his wish was like to have a custom hat on Roblox, so that's what Roblox did to him. They made Ultra Commando. I think they probably asked him what hat he wanted, so there we have it, Ultra Commando, a billion Robux. That's a pretty wholesome story if you ask me. Now if we move on to the Domino Crown, which is one I think might be the oldest hat on this list. Domino Crown selling for 620 million Robux. And you might have noticed, yes, these are internet funny numbers. This is the real price of it. If you go to it, it will be these numbers. And if you are wondering how are these prices even set, because I don't think Roblox sets these at this price. I think the owners of the hat, they sell it, and the value they sell it for goes for the item's price. I think that's how it works. So the Domino Crown was a hat that you could get, was the reward for the Domino Rally contest in 2007. I think people just had to build like a domino thing, like the domino effect. You push one over, and then all of them start pushing each other over. You had to make something like that in 2007 Roblox. Yeah. And I think the winner of that would get the Domino Crown. A really expensive and old hat. Now if you move over to this Rukios Roblox Tablet for 618 million Robux. Now the story behind this is that in November 2012, his copy of the Roblox Tablet was sold in November 2012. But in 2012, these Roblox tablets, I think there were 20 tablets. His one was the 7th copy. So what they were doing was it was to sponsor it was for the release of Roblox on iPad. I think it was for mobile. And the first one, and it was Builders Club only, limited time thing. So I think users with Builders Club could have bought these. So it was the first one was sold for 10,000 Robux, the second one was 20,000, the third one was 30,000, etc., etc. And this one was the 7th one, so you know how much that was sold for? 70,000 Robux in 2012. 70,000 Robux now is a lot, but back then it would have been much, much, much more. Now, Rukiro, I'm definitely pronouncing that wrong, but I'm sorry for that. Anyway, he bought his Roblox tablet, and then before, a fun fact about the tablet is before the users bought them, they were like Roblox tablet number 1 or number 2 or something like that. So he bought his Roblox tablet was named after him. I think they were named after all of the owners. And another fun fact is Roblox user Merely, the guy behind Trade Hangout, I think. He has the Domino Crown and the tablet. He created a group for the Roblox Tablet users. So everyone who has a Roblox tablet would be in that group. Not everyone is in the group, but it was meant for that. Pretty interesting story. Now moving on to the final item, which is the Dominus Imperius, probably the most iconic hat. 600 million Robux. I think most people know the story behind this. So in 2010, which was when it came out, it was a Dominus. It was a one-of-a-kind hat for the time. It was sold for 13,337 Robux in 2010. And only 26, it was a limited unique item, meaning they were only going to make like 20 or 26 copies. And when they ran out, they ran out. And the only way you could get one after that is to buy it off someone. Now probably the most iconic user with it is Stickmaster Luke. In his signature outfit, he is wearing his Imperius, which is pretty cool. Probably the most well-known user with the Imperius. So, yeah, this was an interesting video topic for me, and this might be similar to the most expensive cars, the video from before. I kinda like making these videos about most expensive or most something. Other video ideas I had were the oldest items, so I don't know if you are going to see that or not, but maybe you will, maybe you won't. And again, sorry for not uploading for like a month. It's just because video ideas weren't coming out, weren't coming to me. But this one did, and it's going to be shared with the internet. So now all of you guys know about the 4 items. And here my friend said credits to me. And if you are wondering why should he get credits, it's because before I made this video, I asked him, hey Rex, what items should I select? He selected the tablet. I selected the other. No, he actually selected these two, the Roblox Tablet and the Dominus Imperius. But the other two I selected. So yeah, credits to Big Lord Rex for suggesting these 2 items here. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these videos, because they are interesting, of course. And I will see all of you again soon. Hopefully I will see all of you guys soon, and not within a month, because hopefully I will see you guys before a month. I don't know, maybe we will have to see. And this is OBS. I don't know why I'm pointing that out, but this video has been going now for 8 minutes, which is good, because these short videos are the ones that get watched by you guys, which is really good. So anyway, make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next Cougar video, Mr. Cougar video. Next video on YouTube, I will see each and every one of you guys there on the view count. Now, goodbye everyone. See you on the internet.